You got accepted into
the Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
wow, so much something we're gonna need to get you into school.
What on earth? Medical form? Butt list? Why do we need all of these stuff?
Well, I don't know, but that's how their system goes. So we just have to see if we can manage to get through all of those things by the time you need to go back into school. So let's get that ball rolling now. We are taking you out on this adventure with us, where we're going to get the medical report that we need for school done for Eliona, and then we're going to go in to get her uniform at the uniform shop. We've already bought books and brought those with us when we were coming. Right here where we are is the Mandeville Regional Hospital, and it's just on the shopping center opposite there that we're going to go. The lady that dealt with us had such good customer service.
Saw a long looking leaf on the way to the medical place that we're going to be heading to, so I can fill out a form for my school.
None of these clips are paid promotion. We're just letting you see what we got done.
So we're on our way now. What's the place called?
Life.
Okay. So we're going to Life Medical Center.
And it's just opposite the Mandeville Public Hospital, the regional hospital. So this is where Tiny Tot is. It's next to Ministry of Labour and Security and the Impact Centre. And you just come in and you can get your school supplies from there and your school uniform, and that's their contact. So we climb up the stairs to go up and do the uniforms. So the uniform section is up here, and you can get a variety of uniforms. Up here it's Tiny Tot. You can get a variety of uniforms from up here. The downstairs have a wide variety of books that you can choose from, or based on your list, your shopping list that you need to get for your school. It's a wide array of them that is there. So you just need to go there and see the books that they have available for you. It's a wide catalog of books in there. Also, we had a chance to look at the comprehension books that they have, and just to see what they would look like, because as I've said, we already shipped our books or brought them along with us, so we didn't really need to buy any for her to get back to school, but the prices aren't that bad. So Eliona, how do you feel about going to school in Jamaica?
I don't want to go.
Is that because it's in Jamaica or just because it's school?
Because it's school.
Okay. Are you excited that you got accepted into the school of your choice?
I guess so. But now that I see the amount of payments we have to make and the amount of things I have to get, I don't see the point anymore.
Oh, but it's okay. We understand. Remember, it's not a school fee, it's an auxiliary fee, which just helps to cover costs. And it's going to be different from what the UK school is that you're used to. But I'm pretty sure you'll find your feet soon, and it will be like you've never been anywhere else. Hopefully. What do you think?
Side eye.
Okay then. Town is buzzing with students, all sorts of array of colors. As they head out to school. The back to school planning and preparation was something that we managed to get through within the time. I wasn't sure if we were going to make it to do that, but I'm happy that everything is now done and dusted for Eliona to be able to get back out to school. We've been to the school for a couple times to sort out the different fees, collecting the book rentals and stuff. We just need to now sort out the book list that you have to actually go into the bookstore to buy, which we will get sorted as we go along. We will buy those as we're going along. It was quite, it took me back a bit just to be able to come and go through this process again, some of which I had gone through when I was going to high school. And I'm hoping that Eliona is going to find it a meaningful experience coming to Jamaica and going to high school here, at least for some time, of experiencing what secondary school is going to be like here. And I hope that when she reviews and reflects on it, it will be something that she finds quite meaningful and a great experience for her. One of my friends brought me a papaya. I've eaten half of it and the other half is in here, and I peeled it and just had it. Another friend brought me a whole bag of June plum, and so I've got a few. I'm going to start peeling and have a go at eating them. So I've ate part of the papaya from one friend, and I'm now going to eat a couple of the June plum from another of my friends who's supplied me with them. So I'm grateful and thank you to my friends who've taken it upon themselves to share their produces with me. So I've peeled the June plum, and some people probably cut theirs up into little strips to eat, but I just want to see what it tastes like. I haven't had it in quite a while. That is good. That is good. How do you eat your June plum? If you do eat it, what sort of things do you add to it when you're eating it? And if you haven't had June plum before and you have access to it, have a taste and see how it tastes. It's really delicious.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.